Good day, everyone. This is a continuation, the part 2 of the exponent tutorial. Okay, so convert rational exponent to radical expression and vice versa. Example, a to the 1/2, that is rational. How to convert that to radical? Radical is involved a root, that is square root, cube root, fourth root, fifth root, sixth root, and so forth. So for this, to the 1/2, that is square root of 8. So that is square root square. So hindi na natin nalagyan ng 2. Okay? Hindi na, kasi understood na siya nga 2 siya kasi square root. Example, other example, a to the 1 to the 3. So, ano yan? So, a. So, naglagyan na niya ng 3. Ito yung 1. So, understood na siya nga 1. Itong 1. So, huwag na natin nilagay. Okay. So, other example. Sa negative sign, p to the negative 1/5. Paano yan? Convert natin to radical expression. So first, that is negative. So bring down the negative para maging positive. So p to the 1/5. Okay. Next. So 1. Naman natin. So p to 5. Okay. That is 5. Fifth root of p. Okay. So involve tayo ng numbers. Ito, 5, 8, 2, 3. Okay. Ito, ang exponent natin is sa a lang. Okay. So, 5. Maganda din yung square ang a. Ang 2, yan ang exponent sa a. Pero yung sa baba, yan ang cube root. Okay. Next example. Well, AB to the 1/4. Okay. So, ang ma-exponent dito is ang bilang. So, 12. Copy mo lang 12A. So, fourth root, 4. And B. Okay. Trace natin. Ito. AB to the 2. Tapos negative 2/3. Ano yan? So, siyempre, negative, baba natin. 1, AB squared. 2/3. Okay. Ano yan? So, ang cube root niya is 3. So, 1. Pasok natin. Kasi dalawa itong AB naka-square. So, anong gagawin? Cube root 3. Tapos, yung 2, paano yan? So, 2, multiply na mo sa 1. So, A naging 2. Ang B, multiply din ng 2. So, naging 4. Okay? Next example. Nine. A to the 1/2. Dali yan yun. So, square root lang siya. 9, 8. Kasi ito ang sa baba, yung root. Square root pa siya. Cube root, fourth root. Okay? Square root of A to the 3 and 2. That is radical expression. I-convert natin to rational exponent. Okay, so A, ito yung exponent, that is 2. Ang baba niya is 3. Okay, ganun. Okay. Other example. That is 5. C, D to the 3. Okay. How to convert that to rational exponent? C, exponent niya is 1/5. Okay. Ang B, 3/5. Okay? So, other example. So how we convert that to rational expression, exponent. So pwede natin siya i-separate. So 3A to the 5th over 5th root of B squared. Okay? So 3A, 3 to the 1/5. Ang A naman is 1/5 over B. Ang B is, ang exponent niya is 2. So over 5. So the example is 9. Okay, so 9. A is 1/3. Ang C, 6. over 3. Okay? Yan ang to convert rational to radical to rational. Another example is A3 over B. Okay. Pwede rin i-separate. A to the 3 over square root of B. Yeah. So A 3 over 2. Tapos ang B, that is 1 over 2. So application na tayo. So ito, subukan natin. 3 5 square root of 5 minus 2 square root of 5. Dito pareho yung square root of 5, square root sila. So yan, minus lang natin. 3 plus 5, 8, minus 2, 6. So ang answer natin is 6 square root of 5. Okay. Dito, yung square root lang natin ang i-add. Yung cube root hindi na. So remain as is lang siya. So ito lang ang minus natin. 3 minus 1, 1 man to. So 2 square root of A, copy lang ang cube root. Okay. So 3 minus 1, 2A, copy lang ang cube root guy. Okay. So ito lang yung i-add kasi pareho sila o square root. So 5 plus 1, that is 6. Copy ang square root sa A. Copy na lang po ang 2 square root sa B. So same square root. So i-add lang natin. Find the least common denominator. That is 12. 12 divided 3 is 4 times 2, that is 8. Plus 12 divided by 4, 3 times 1, that is 3. Over times square root of 9. Yan na yun. So 11 over 12 square root of 9. Okay. Six root sa A to the 3. Okay. So gawin nating rational expression. A to the 3 over 6. So 1/2. So A to the 1/2, that is square root of A. Next, 25 square root of 25 A to the square root of 25, that is 5 times 5, that is 5. Ang A natin is A, pwede natin yan, tapos A. Okay, labas natin, so 5A square root of A. So dito tayo 144 m to the 6 over m to the 8. Okay, so pwede natin i-separate. 144 in 6 over the square root of n to the 8. Okay? I-convert niyan to rational expression. Ipalabas natin muna. So, square root sa 144, that is 12. Ang m na to is 6 over 2. Tapos, ang n natin is 8 over 2. Okay? So, 12. M, 6 divide 3, divide 2 is 3. 8 divide 2 is 4. Yan, square root of 5 times square root of 10. So, pareho man sa exponent. Kahit na different yung sa loob niya, pareho sa exponent, multiply niyan siya diretso. Equals 5 times 10 is square root of 50. Okay? So, pwede pa natin siya i-simplify. 25 times 2. So, square root siya sa 25, that is 5. Square root. Ayan. So, pareho sila o cube root, that is cube root. So, multiply lang natin. Naging 8. Ang y niya is 2 to 3. So, cube root sa cube root. Okay. So, cube root sa 8 is 2. 3 of 3, that is 1. So, y na lang. So, yan ang answer. Ano yan? That is the same sa loob. So, 4a to the 1/2 times 4a to the 1/5. Pareho, so i-add natin ang exponent. So, 4a 1/2 plus 1/5. Okay? This common denominator, 10. That is 5 plus 2. Huwag kalimutan ang close and open parenthesis. So, 4a (7 over 10). Final answer is 7 tapos 10. 10th root. How we solve that? Okay, we will use reciprocal. Okay, so multiply natin siya ng reciprocal dito sa yung sa baba. Okay, so reciprocal, that is i-change natin to positive 2 plus square root of 2 over 2 plus square root of 2. Okay, so equal pa rin siya kasi cancel man yan siya. Okay, we will use a reciprocal of this one. So multiply natin, distribute, so 2, that is 4 plus sa taas muna plus 2 square root of 2. Dito distribute natin muna. So 4 ito 2 times square root of 2, that is plus 2 square root of 2. Next dito minus 2 square root of 2. Tapos dito minus square root of square root, that is 2 ito. Kung multiply natin sa 2 to the 1/2. I-add natin yun siya, naging 1 na lang. So ang answer natin is 2, di ba? So ang square root of 2 times square root of 2, ang answer natin is, kasi i-add natin yan siya, maging 2/2. So 2/2 is 1. So naging 1 na lang siya. Ang answer dyan is 2. Okay? So 4 plus 2 square root of 2 over, ito cancel kasi positive 2 square root of 2, negative square root of 2, so cancel siya. So ito na lang, yung 4 at saka minus 2 naging 2. Okay? 4 minus 2 is 2. So separate natin yung sa taas, 4, divide natin siya 2, i-divide dun sa kabila, that is square root of 2. Kasi nawala na yung 2. Ang natira ito naman. Okay? So, thank you very much for my next vlog tutorial.